Deep in the Ozark Mountains in Arkansas, you can live under a rock, literally. Beckham Creek Cave Lodge has hit the market for $2.75 million. And spoiler alert, this underground home has an epic history of renovations. The cave was first purchased in 1988 during the height of the Cold War.
Mr. Gorbachev, tear down this wall.
Fearing a nuclear attack, the original owner spent $2 million converting the space into a full-on doomsday shelter, complete with its own water supply. Just as the shelter was finished, tension between the USSR and the United States eased. The owner soon realized that a bomb shelter was no longer a booming investment. The property was then sold to a mysterious man known only as Mr. Richardson. Mr. Richardson wiped out the fallout shelter and transformed it into an A-list nightclub. Rumor has it, Michael Jackson and Elizabeth Taylor attended opening night. Beckham Creek Cave Lodge was remodeled into a resort in 2007 and has been a popular tourist accommodation ever since. Today, the 5,800 square foot property offers 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, high ceilings, and tons of natural rock formations that were preserved during construction. We hope the next owner of this one-of-a-kind home rocks.